Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Abdullah Subhan. The first exercise I ever attempted at the gym was the push ups. It's a great calisthenic workout for your upper body that builds your chest, your triceps, and your shoulders. Unfortunately, most of us do push ups incorrectly. Today I'm going to demonstrate the ideal method for push ups and point out the common mistakes that beginners make while attempting the workout that may lead to injury and reduce your gains. Starting with your body position, people commonly have an arched back and raised shoulders while doing the workout. Doing this reduces your range of motion and puts unnecessary strain on your lower back. You should pull your shoulder blades apart and tilt your pelvis posteriorly while contracting your glutes and your abs actively. This makes the workout harder but much more effective with a better range of motion. In this position, the exercise becomes more athletic, involving your upper body and your core, and it has more benefit in the long term. Another common error is to have your elbows sticking out to your sides, putting unnecessary strain on your shoulders. Instead, tuck your elbows in. This increases triceps involvement and spares the shoulders at the same time. Nextly, there's a common belief that a wider arm position increases chest activation. EMG studies, though, have shown that this is not true. A wider arm angle has no clear benefit, and instead it causes harm to your rotator cuff. Ideally, you should stick to a shoulder wide arm position. Beginners commonly have trouble with the entire range of motion of the push ups, so they tend to go only half the way down or half the way up for each rep. Others reach down with their heads in an attempt to be closer to the ground. If you're having trouble doing the proper push up, instead what you should do is do push ups with your knees on the ground. There is no shame in this, as all of us begin at this stage, myself included. Another alternate is to do push ups on an inclined platform. Another common mistake is focusing on quantity of push ups rather than quality. When trying to do 90 or 100 push ups, people sacrifice form doing half reps. If your main goal is to build muscle, then you should slow it down, reducing the momentum and do push ups with proper full range of motion, pausing at the bottom of each rep. Beside the standard military push up, I'll show you some easy variations for beginners, including the diamond push up, which is a type of push up with a closer grip which targets your triceps. To target the deltoids, you can use a lower underhand grip called the planche push ups. Another variation to target the deltoids is the pike push ups. Push ups can also be a power workout, for which people often do the clap push ups. However, I'm not really in favor of these, as there is a chance that you may fall flat on your face or land awkwardly on your wrist. Instead, I prefer the simple power push up, which omits the unnecessary clap, despite how cool it may look. This is an explosive exercise which increases the strength in your shoulders, your chest, and your triceps. That's all for today. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.